Are you looking for peace of mind at your doorstep? Look no further. With the Blink Video Doorbell, your home's entrance is always within your control. Check out the link in the video description to learn more and get your Blink Video Doorbell on Amazon. Your home is in your hands.
Alec Baldwin has broken his silence after his Rust manslaughter cause was sensationally dismissed. The Academy Award-winning actor wept in court and hugged wife Ilaria and his lawyers after Judge Mary Marlowe Sommer delivered her ruling on the involuntary manslaughter charge yesterday. Baldwin, 66, was on trial for allegedly fatally shooting cinematographer Halyna Hutchins and wounding director Joel Souza on the set of the film Rust in October 2021. "There are too many people who have supported me to thank just now," he wrote on Saturday. He added, "To all of you, you will never know how much I appreciate your kindness toward my family." Baldwin's trial was put on hold earlier Friday as Baldwin's defense team issued a motion calling for the case to be dismissed over hidden evidence, according to the Associated Press. His lawyers claimed the prosecution hid evidence about ammunition that might be related to Hutchins' death. "We don't know if it's a live ammunition match or not," attorney Lucas Nikas told the judge. "But we do know that the state had it, and it's disclosable." Prosecutors have denied any evidence was hidden, claiming the ammunition was not connected to the trial. The ammunition in question was reportedly obtained from Troy Teskey, a friend of the father of Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, who worked as the armorer on the film. Gutierrez-Reed has already been convicted of involuntary manslaughter in Hutchins' death and was sentenced to 18 months in prison. Carrie Morrissey, the special prosecutor, said in court that the ammunition brought up by the defense was not the same size or of the same chemical composition as the bullets found on the set of the film. "This is a wild goose chase that has no evidentiary value whatsoever," Morrissey said, according to the Associated Press. "This is just a man trying to protect his daughter." The ammunition was introduced to the case on Friday and brought into the courtroom in a manila envelope, according to the New York Times. Dramatic photos showed Marlowe wearing a pair of blue gloves as she cut open the package with a pair of scissors inside the courtroom. At one point, the judge came down from the bench and stood at a table in the center of the courtroom to examine the rounds. At least one round of the bullets introduced reportedly resembles ammunition collected from the Rust set, according to the outlet. Baldwin looked on and jotted down notes as Marlowe examined the bullets. Photos showed Baldwin appearing to be emotional in court when the trial was put on hold, resting his head on his wife's arm as she embraced him. To rule on the dismissal, the judge held a public hearing on Friday without the jury present. Baldwin's attorneys insisted that the evidence had been concealed by the prosecution, claiming it was filed under a different case number. Defense attorney Luke Nikas went on to describe the discovered ammunition as critical evidence that was required to be disclosed. Nikas said that the evidence was concealed due to the bullets being placed under a different case number. During the hearing, it was also uncovered that prosecutor Erlina Johnson, the other prosecutor on the case, had resigned from the case the same day. Morrissey reportedly claimed it was due to Johnson's disapproval of the public hearing, according to ABC News. Morrissey also argued that Bowles did not want the ammunition from Teskey. "It was the best evidence against his client," Morrissey said regarding the source of the live bullets on set. She testified that the rounds provided by Teskey did not strike her as having any significant evidentiary value. Halyna Hutchins was killed on the set of Western blockbuster, Rust. Here is a timeline of key events that followed the tragedy. October 6, 2021. Production on Rust begins in Santa Fe, New Mexico. October 21, 2021, cinematographer Halyna Hutchins is shot and killed by a prop gun actor Alec Baldwin was rehearsing with. November 17, 2021, the script supervisor files a lawsuit accusing Baldwin of playing Russian roulette by pointing a revolver at Hutchins. December 2, 2021, Baldwin speaks out and denies pulling the trigger and said he has no idea why live rounds were on set. January 12, 2022, armorer Hannah Gutierrez-Reed files a lawsuit against the ammunition box manufacturer for failing to state the boxes contained both live and dummy rounds. February